Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I've got a phrase for this week which I have talked about before, but I just wonder if you are using this phrase as often as you could. Me haere. So me, this is about let's do something, and haere is about going. So this means let's go. And there's so many times during the day that we can say me haere when we say let's go or something else, when we could just be adding more Māori language to our day without really trying that hard, because we've got it as a book that heaps of people already know about, children love and use and know how to say. So it's really it's encouraging to me when I hear teachers taking the phrases out of our books instead of just having them as a song to do on the mat. So what I'm thinking is to just have a think to yourself, am I using, for example, me haere when I'm saying let's go? Could I just say me haere instead, and the children will understand? And it's really just about making a habit. So let's make some new habits, and it can just be one phrase a week. So this week you could just start from fresh, just think, oh, there's been so many phrases, but let's just start afresh and say me haere as often as you can. One way you can make sure that you do that is to tell some people around you, the other teachers or even the children, say, look, I'm going to try and say me haere today for let's go as often as I can. So could you help me to remember that? And perhaps you could all try and say it as well. So that's one way that you can try and add more te reo Māori to your day. Ka kite.